So as promised, we'll go ahead and show you a campaign that you could start using today to generate leads for real estate home sales in your local area. So there are a variety of different types of ads we can use on Facebook, but for real estate lead generation, our most favorite are the lead generation and message type campaigns. We'll show you the lead generation campaign. It's one of the simpler ones to set up, and we'll show you what that looks like. So one of the beautiful things about Facebook is that you can target people based on the area and interest. Obviously you see my page here, but in your case it would be your realty company's page, which you do have to run ads. We can target based on the location of where you're at. So say this would be an area in Pennsylvania, and then you can add interest on top of that to further refine what the customer may be interested in. So Facebook's looking at what they're shopping around at, what they've used, and so that'll give you a finer toothed comb of people that you're targeting. Now we generally, when we're working with a client, we'll test both the audience that we're looking at. So we'll look at these refined details as far as Mortgage Calculator or Trulia or other similar interest, as well as just broad targeting where we're just going after an area and letting Facebook do the work. And we'll test a variety of other audiences. If you have existing customer information, we can use their info to see if Facebook's able to leverage that to deliver better results. So we always go through phases of testing, and the first phase is always your audience. The second phase will be your offer, which will basically be what incentive are you giving a customer or potential customer to consider you to give you their name and email so you can follow up with them. Generally speaking, budgets on an ad like this, we recommend at least $15 a day, and we expect leads to be $5 to $10. So that would give you 1 to 3, maybe 4 or 5 leads, depending on over time how we can refine the ad creative, offer, and targeting to get the lowest costs per lead. That would give you, anywhere from 50 and on up leads a month for real estate sales. And obviously, the more you're willing to use each day, we can generate additional opportunities for you. The ad itself, there's a variety of types of ads. Some ads we really like to try to consider. A carousel ad can be a really powerful way to display a walkthrough of a potential property that would be of interest for a customer that you're considering. An image can just catch attention and is very simple to do. And then a video is nice and very ideal if you have one, because we can actually retarget a customer, meaning follow them up with an additional ad if they've seen a part of your video. So that's a great way to be able to continue to communicate to people who may have initially seen some interest in what you're doing, and then see if they're willing to give you their name and email after the initial contact. Each method is good for a variety of things, but we're going to show you the single image ad today to make it simple. And since I don't have a picture of an interior of a home that I'm trying to sell, we're just going to use this for generic reference. So copy that we've seen, or an offer that we've often seen, works well for realtors is mentioning the fact that a customer may be missing potential homes that are available if they're not subscribed to your MLS listings. We would connect the MLS service that you use to deliver email updates for MLS listings for your customer so that they would automatically be entered to be receiving the proper type of listings. If you don't have a service provider in place for that, we can help with recommendations. But this would allow you to advertise to the customer, essentially telling them that you're able to offer them homes that are available before they're available on the online only directories. So this will help you to not be dependent only on Trulia or Zillow for your lead sources, but will allow you to potentially capture Facebook users for your ads. So this would be an overview of what the ad would look like and the copy, and then we would be able to connect when you click sign up. That would take the customer over to a form where they would then automatically be filled out, but you could also ask for information above and beyond what's shown here, but name, email, and phone number, and then we would connect this through software to give you a text message the moment that lead entered information so that you could call and have a discussion about what they're looking for in a home and the areas they're looking at, and then you would be able to properly connect them with your MLS listing services promised in the ad, but then also continue having conversations with them, and based on their interest and intent on looking and purchasing a home, making the proper move as their realtor from there. So this is what the ad would look like for submission, and then this would be the thank you page. And on the thank you page, we could set up to have a call button where we can say we can customize your personal list today, and that would be driving them to call and take action to actually discuss with you. So this is how you would set up an ad like this. If you want, I can also run this for you for free so you can begin to see the results and show the progress and the opportunity that Facebook Ads has for you. I'm going to show you what the completed ad looks like in your newsfeed as well. So just show you that in one moment here. So as we would scroll, you would have your real estate name, you would have the video or image, which is another third part of testing. So we'll test the creative, the picture itself, a video if that's something you have, this text and this text to improve your ad quality and deliver leads at a lower cost. That'd be the third phase of testing, but this would be what the final ad would look like. So my name's Patrick, and if you want to, I can run this campaign for you for free for 2 weeks. You would help with the cost of the ad, and that would be based on the budget you would want, but I will take care of setting it up, and then if it was something that was benefiting you and delivering the results you wanted, we could discuss further about my company LeadZoom, helping you manage your ads on Facebook so that you could continue to focus on selling. And if you want, you can call me at 412-852-0773, or you can email me, patrick@leadzoom.co. Hope this is helpful for you and appreciate you watching.